Hello everyone. First of all, I will introduce myself. My name is Ajay Kashyap. I am graphic design trainer in Relica Services. I have 7+ years of experience in this field. So let's talk about our today's topic. I will introduce our graphic design course. So, firstly, it will talk about what is graphic design. Graphic design refers to the visual elements or visual that are used to convey information, ideas, or messages. It encompasses various forms such as images, illustrations, typography, and other visual components that are used in design to communicate effectively. In graphic design, the word graphic is often associated with the visual representation and arrangement of elements to create visually appealing and communicative design. Did you listen this phrase? One image can speak thousands of words. Now we will talk about what types of graphic design. So, start visually identity, print identity design, print design, digital and web design, typography design, illustration, motion graphics, animation, packaging design, UI and UX design. So, what we will cover in our theoretical part. Firstly, we will cover introduction to graphic design, fundamentals of graphic design, principles of graphic design, color theory, importance of typography in graphic design, logo design, and principles of logo design. Now, what we will in our practical, will teach you these three softwares in this course: Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, InDesign. Now we will talk about each software individually. So what we will cover in Photoshop: introduction to Photoshop, basic image editing, crop, resize, rotate, working with layers, layer mask, blend modes, color correction and adjustment, brightness, contrast, color balance, levels, selection tools, mark, lasso, and magic wand, retouching and healing, clone, stamp and healing brush tool, text and typography, text tool and character panel, filters and effects, filter gallery and layer styles, working with brushes, brush tool and brush presets, image manipulation with the help of transformation tools and content aware, shape tools, rectangle, ellipse, polygon, and much more. Pen tools, how to make pass, bezier curves, adjustment layers, hue, saturation curves and levels, and much more. Advanced layer styles, drop shadow, stroke, inner shadow, smart objects, embedding versus linking, smart filters, masking techniques, layer mask, vector masks, and clipping masks, and how to export and how to get output from the Photoshop file. Now we will talk about Illustrator. So we will start from introduction to the Adobe Illustrator and vector graphics, workspace navigation, interface customization, basic selection, drawing and editing tools, image importing, tracing and editing techniques, shape creation, anchor point manipulation, and pen tool usage, color modes, swatches application, gradients and patterns, text layers management, formatting and text effects, layer management, grouping, and non-destructive editing, free-form drawing, brush tools, and artistic effects, scaling, rotating, light effects, and transformations, perspective drawing, isometric perspective, and complex shapes, file saving, exporting, print preparation, and print settings understanding, logo, poster, and icon setting projects, creative text manipulation, typography effects, and text on pass techniques, advanced layer techniques, blending modes, and layer masks, custom shapes creation, symbols usage, and symbol libraries, and how to get output and how to export files lastly. And now we will talk about InDesign. We will start from introduction to design and desktop publishing concepts, understanding the workspace layouts, tools, and panels, basic document setup, including page size, margins, and blade, text frame creation, text importing, and text formatting. Working with the styles for text and objects, including paragraph and character styles, placing and manipulating images, graphics, and other visual elements. Working with layers for organization and design flexibility. Master pages creation and application for consistent layout elements. Creating and formatting tables for data representation, interactive elements creation such as buttons and hyperlinks, pre-flighting documents for errors and preparation for print or digital output. Designing for multiple devices and screen sizes with responsive layouts. Advanced typography features including OpenType and typographic effects. And lastly, how we export our output from the Adobe InDesign file. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching. That's it.